Welcome back, Internet. Today I have some Fordite for you. Even though it sounds like a mineral, it's not. The way this is manufactured, it's man-made, is each of those layers is a layer of paint. So these came out of a car factory in Michigan, and as they were painting cars, you'd have your overspray that would get all over the equipment, the rails, your assembly lines, and someone had to go scrape it off. And you'd get these big, thick layers. And these days, people turn this into pendants and jewelry. The reality is it's not that easy to come by anymore because of computer automation. The equipment these days is so good that you don't really get this much overspray. And you also have electrostatic painting these days, which means you don't get that overspray. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.